Years ago, the Presbyterian Hospital Community Care Cruiser wasn't even a speck on the map. However, thanks to the Charlotte Bobcats and other generous supporters, the cruiser is now putting children on the road to health. From checkups to sick visits, vaccines, and specialist referrals, the cruiser continues to bridge the gap for families in need, showing them that access to quality health care is available to everyone. And while there are statistics to prove the cruiser's impact on the community, it's the stories that do it best.
The cruiser is a 40-foot mobile health clinic for children. We see kids from birth to 17, and we do health care for people who have no insurance or who have limited access to health care.
Many of the families that do seek our services, they don't qualify for Medicaid, and they cannot afford health insurance. And those are families that I call gap families.
I work for a small business that doesn't have health insurance for its employees. So I'm not able to afford health insurance because I'm just above the poverty line. So I make too much to qualify, but not enough to cover myself or Kaylee for health insurance.
I don't know what else I could have done. I tried everything. I went to clinics. I applied over for Medicaid. I was denied. A hospital visit cost over $200, so I don't know.
There can't be any worse feeling than knowing your child is ill and you have no place to take them, that you don't know how you're going to make them better. And as a parent, that is just an awful feeling inside, to not be able to give your child everything that child needs. And so we can fill that gap.
To see the lift of the burden on some of these families is incredible.
When I mention as a pastor the community care cruiser to people in our congregation, they say, "Oh yeah, I know that, it's got the Bobcat logo on it. Yeah, we see that around town." And we love the fact that the community care cruiser is dedicated to serving at-risk populations and at-risk neighborhoods like the Camp Green neighborhood in which we're in, and making it very accessible for parents and students to get the resources that they need so that they're healthy, so that they stay in school, and so that they have the opportunities to learn and grow and to have a great life ahead of them. We can't imagine what Charlotte would be like without the community care cruiser.
We'd like to thank the Charlotte Bobcats for supporting the cruiser, for we know without them it would not be possible, and we appreciate it very much.
Gracias, Bobcats. Thanks, Bobcats.
I'd like to say thank you for the Bobcats and all the supporters of the cruiser, and please keep supporting them.
Thank you, Bobcats!